Students, we were discussing the chapter Cop and the Anthem, and we had seen how Soapy had tried various plans, but every plan failed. Whether it was the most easy one, whether the cop was even present there, but each plan failed. And even when he stole the umbrella of a man, he was not caught by the police because the man said that it was not his umbrella. So finally, we see that Soapy began to think that would he be able to go to the Blackwell's prison island this time or not. So he is very, very sad here and angry. The umbrella man hurried away. He went away, and the cop helped a lady across the street. The cop was also not at all interested in Soapy. Soapy then started moving eastwards. He threw the umbrella as far as he could in frustration. He thought to himself about cops, what he thought of them, that they are so good in catching people and in imprisoning him, but this time what has happened to them? Because he wished to be arrested, they seemed to believe he was like a king who could do no wrong. But what is happening this time that all the cops are thinking that Soapy is a good man like a king and he cannot do any wrong or he cannot do any crime. At last, Soapy came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. He turned here and began to walk south towards Madison Square. So we see the directions again that he is moving towards the quiet streets, then he has turned south and towards Madison Square. He was going home, although home was only a seat in a park. But at a very quiet corner, Soapy stopped. Before going to Madison Square, in the way, he stopped at one of the quiet corners. Here was his old childhood home. It was his home. Through one window, he could see a soft light shining. A dull light could be seen inside. That had been his living room, and he knew very well that this room was his living room or his drawing room, where he had spent many happy, peaceful moments. Now, because he is a criminal, there is no peace in his life. But there was time when he spent peaceful life moments of his life. Sweet music came to Soapy's ears, and he was able to listen to very nice, sweet music from the house. And Soapy's ears and seemed to hold him there. This music coming from his house captured him, and he stood there. The moon was above, peaceful and bright. The moon was also nice and shining brightly. There were few people passing. Only a few people were going. He could hear birds high above him. The birds had started migrating, and the music that came from the room held Soapy there, and the music captivated him for he had known it well long ago, and it is the same music that was played earlier when he used to live with the family. In those days, his life contained such things as mother and flowers and high hopes, good hope, and friends and good thoughts, clean thoughts, and good clothes. So his life was earlier like a gentleman or a family man having a mother, some sweet flowers, good hope, friends, nice thoughts, nice clothes, etc. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul, and he again thought of changing, becoming good. His soul is changing. So what is soul, students? Atma is known as soul. He saw with sick fear how he had fallen, how he had become morally degraded and became a criminal, a lawless person. He saw his worthless days, his wrong desires, his dead hopes, the lost power of his mind. And now he can clearly see that the days which he is spending in the prison are worthless. Doing crime are worthless. His desires to earn money by stealing is wrong. His hopes, which are dead, so hope to become a good man, have died. The lost power of his mind is not able to distinguish between right and wrong, good and bad. And also, in a moment, his heart answered this change in his soul. So his heart is beating and he wants to change. He wants to again become a good man. He would fight to change his life, and now he wants to change and become good man again. He would pull himself up out of the mud, and from this mud of being a criminal, he just wants to come out. He would make a man of himself again, and from a criminal, from a beast, he again wants to convert himself into a good man, into a human being again. And you can see in the picture how he is lost in the thoughts, and he's looking at his own house, and he's thinking of changing and becoming a good man. But at the back of him, we can see a cop. What is the cop trying to do? Let us see. There was time he was young enough. He was young. He would find his old purpose in life and follow it. So there is still time. He is still young, and he can again become a good man, find a good aim and purpose in his life, and follow that with his whole heart. That sweet music had changed him. The thought of his house, of the good music coming from it, has changed his soul. Tomorrow he would find work, and he would work hard. He would not steal. He would not become a criminal, but he will earn by working hard. A man had once offered him a job. He remembered that man. He would find that man tomorrow. He would be somebody in the world. He would also become a good human being with an identity. He would. Soapy felt a hand on his arm, but unfortunately, we can see in the picture there is a cop. He looked quickly around into the broad face of a cop. Why is the cop here? He is not stealing anything. He's not doing a crime. Why is the policeman here? But the cop now become suspicious and doubtful, and what he says is, what are you doing hanging around here? Asked the cop. What are you doing here where good people live, and why are you watching this house? Soapy said nothing. You think I believe that? Said the cop. I don't believe it. You are planning for another crime. You are planning to steal. Full of his new strength, new hope, new enthusiasm, Soapy began to argue. And arguing with a policeman is never good. It is a crime. And it is not wise to argue, especially with a New York policeman. Come along, said the cop. So, because you argued with me, a policeman, you will be sent to prison. And where he would be sent to? 3 months prison on Blackwell's Island, said the judge to Soapy next morning. So the judge announced the decision that he will be imprisoned for 3 months at the same island he wanted, and this was because of a cop who doubted him at a time when he was trying to change and become good. So, can you see what strange life is? When he was when he did all the crimes, he was not caught. But when he thought of becoming a good man, he was imprisoned and sentenced for imprisonment of 3 months. So, this is what and how life is very strange. This chapter is written by O. Henry, a very famous writer.